Hello viewers, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Today's recipe is Makhana Curry of fox nuts. Let's get started and check out the ingredients. First I'm going to toast the makhanas. For this take a little butter. So I've taken about 50 grams of makhana. The makhana are toasted, remove them and keep them aside. In a saucepan, take a little butter. To this add the whole spices starting with cinnamon, cloves and cardamom, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds, to this add finely chopped ginger, finely chopped garlic, finely chopped green chilies, to this add a handful of cashew nuts, to this add 2 onions chopped, to this add half teaspoon of salt, saute the onions till they are golden brown color. Add 2 tomatoes chopped. Add a quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of chili powder. The onions and tomatoes are cooked, cool the mixture and grind it to a nice fine paste. Add a little water while grinding the masala paste. To the same saucepan add a little more butter. Add quarter teaspoon of Garam Masala. Add the remaining onions. The onions are nice and brown. I'm going to add the ground masala paste. Add about 1 cup of water. Let the gravy simmer for a few minutes till the raw smell goes. After a few minutes add the roasted makhanas. The makhana curry is done. Garnish it with some fresh cream. And coriander leaves and serve it with some fresh chapatis or rotis. You can enjoy this makhana curry with some nice hot chapatis or rotis. It's a very flavorful and creamy dish, so do try and enjoy it. You can get a copy of our first edition of the home cooking book on Amazon and 21 Frame.